सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो गाइस आज हूँ मैं हैदराबाद में बंसीलाल पेट स्टेपवेल में। तो गाइस दिस इज़ लोकेटेड इन बंसीलाल पेट इन हैदराबाद। तो गाइस इसका एंट्री फीस है 50 रुपीज़ फॉर ईच एडल्ट। एंड गाइस ये है हमारे एंट्री, और एंट्री में यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी और पेंटिंग्स बनी हुई है जो कि देख के बहुत ही दिल को अच्छा लगता है। एंड गाइस टुडेज़ वेदर वाज आल्सो वेरी गुड, मतलब जस्ट लाइक अ मूवी लग रहा था। This was looking very fantastic. It added a plus point to the view as well as the location. So guys, there are 3 galleries. Now we are entering in the gallery 1. तो guys gallery 1 में फर्स्ट जैसे आप एंटर होते हैं, यहाँ पे उसके हिस्ट्री के बारे में बना होता है कि वो कैसे बना था और कब बना था। तो बेसिकली दिस वाज फर्स्ट बिल्ड इन द 17th एंड द 18th सेंचुरी। तो इसका डेट एग्जैक्टली हमें यहाँ पे नहीं दिया गया, तो अराउंड 17th एंड 18th सेंचुरी। एंड देयर वाज रिस्टोरेशन डन इन हियर। तो ये था अबाउट नवंबर में 2021 एंड 22 के बीच में बाय द GHMC ऑफ हैदराबाद, दैट इज़ ग्रेटर हैदराबाद म्यूनसिपैलिटी कॉर्पोरेशन। Guys, we have few sceneries. This is the west arch as seen from the 4th level of the stepwell, and this is the east side of the entrance of the gate, and ये है the rebuilt side of the south, and this is the entrance of the main arch and of the Bansilal Pet model village. तो गाइज यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे अच्छे कोट्स भी लिखे हैं, तो यू कैन जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो फॉर अ सेकेंड एंड रीड दैट। दिस इज़ द ईस्टर्न पार्ट एंड नाउ उसमें बिफोर कैसे था और अभी कैसे अच्छे से डेवलप हुआ है वो पूरा दिखाया है। यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे से रिस्टोर किया गया है। यहाँ पे अंदर AC लगा है और फैन भी लगा है, जो कि बहुत अच्छी बात है। Guys, this was the gallery 1. So there are total 3 galleries as I told you. And guys, this is the total stepwell. This is how it looks. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे अभी फर्स्ट फ्लोर में है, मतलब द बेसमेंट, और इसके नीचे है स्टेप वैली। नाउ वी आर यू कैन सी फ्यू पीपल स्टैंडिंग, सो वी आर एग्जैक्टली राइट देयर। तो गाइस अभी हम एंटर कर रहे हैं गैलरी 2 में, जो कि गैलरी 1 से बड़ी है। तो गाइस दिस इज़ द ओवरऑल लुक ऑफ द गैलरी 2। एंड गाइस यहाँ पे जो भी सीनरीज और फोटोज़ है, इट इज़ बेसिकली ऑफ द स्टेपवेल। तो जैसे कि पहले कैसी थी और अभी कैसी है, तो द रिस्टोरेशन एंड द डेवलपमेंट। तो आप इधर देख सकते हैं कि ये पहले अभी ऐसी है और ये पहले ऐसी थी। एंड देयर आर फ्यू कोट्स दैट यू कैन रीड अबाउट they are awareing us about water sustainability, that we have to save water, this and that, and more of things to aware us. So this is how it look now, and this was how it looked before. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा हैदराबाद की गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया है। A big thumbs up for them, for the GHMC. They have made this Bansilala step well a very beautiful place than how it was before. And here they're telling about water is a welfare and all that we have all studied in our junior classes. So yes, you can read this. You can just pause the video for a second and read it. So guys, this was all for the gallery 2, and now we move on to gallery 3. So guys, as we move on to gallery 3, ये है अभी gallery 3। अभी आपको steps चढ़ के ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा। And guys, there are few quote, and these are few sceneries. Guys, these are basically the photo of the people who have done their hard work for building it. And guys, believe you can, and you're halfway through. This is a very beautiful quote, guys, and I love it. So guys, a big thumbs up for the people who have done the development, and please like the video if you have enjoyed it till now, and please watch this video till the end, because this place is a very beautiful, and there is a lot of hard work that is done by the government for building it. And guys, here paintings and scenery are very beautiful. I have seen all these, and you also see this is just great and wonderful. So guys, here I am showing you these sceneries. These are basically the architectural structure that was built by the people. मतलब you can say it as a key mapping or something. जैसे हम कुछ घर वैसे construct करते हैं तो they just build the map, right, for how this place should be and all. So this is that. And here is one more beautiful quote where there's a man, there's a hope for a treasure. So guys, this is also very good. And guys, these are few of the weapons and tools that were used by the people, not exactly weapons but the tools that were used by the people at those time. So yes, these are tools. And here is a very beautiful sculpture of a Ganesha. गणेश भगवान जी का बहुत ही अच्छा स्कल्पचर है. तो गाइस दिस वाज हाउ इट लुक बिफोर. पहले ऐसा था और अभी देखो कितना अच्छा बन गया ये. सो गाइस आई केम इन द इवनिंग टाइम around 5:30. I tell you people, or I guide you people, that around 6:30 or 7 you must go, because there will be lighting and that will be more beautiful. So I missed it, but guys, I suggest you all to go in the evening and that would be more beautiful and fantastic. So guys, as we move further to the gallery 3, so this looks even beautiful. ये वाला gallery 1 और gallery 2 से बड़ा है. And guys, here you can see there's a total picture of how before it was and how people are developing it. A big thumbs up once again to the government and the GHMC people. You can look guys how much hard work they have done, and we are very proud of them, because these workers are the one due to which we have got such a beautiful heritage of our country. So guys, this is also a map kind of thing that I have shown you, and this is few structures of how it was built and how it is now, same as in the few of the galleries I have shown you, gallery 1 and 2. But yes, a big hats off to the people of their designing, their architecture. It's very beautiful. So guys, abhi there's a small balcony kind of thing that is outside here. So let's go on and move on there. तो guys देखो यहाँ बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and the weather is very pleasant. And this is the step well that I was talking about. It's very beautiful, neat and clean as compared to it was before. So guys, this is the step well, and see, the water is not as clean as it should be. I mean, yes, but it is much cleaner than it was before. And guys, this is the surrounding and looking how it is. And guys, there are few one or two turtles and fishes. So here is one of the turtle, here is one or two fishes, and here is one more turtle that you can see in the step well. तो गाइज हियर इज़ अ गार्डन जस्ट बिसाइड द गैलरी 1. आप गैलरी 1 के पीछे आएंगे तो आपको एक गार्डन दिखेगा, जो कि आप उसके साइड में एक रैम्प बनी हुई है, सो यू कैन वॉक देयर बट यू कैन नॉट गो इन द गार्डन. तो गाइज नाउ आई एम हियर इन द स्टेप वेल, सो देयर इज़ अ सेपरेट एंट्री inside. From inside we have to go at the backside gate and we have to go in the step well. So guys, this was done by the GHMC, and I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. And guys, I hope I gave a little bit of information. Because I have a little bit of information, I don't have much, but yes, I have shared you whatever I knew. And guys, I hope you liked my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then guys, take care and see you all again. Bye bye.